Big booty, big booty. I have the biggest booty. Don't you have the biggest booty? Yes, you do. Don't you have the biggest booty? Doggy. Doggy. Petunia, come over here. Big booty, big booty. Doggy has the biggest booty. Come over here. Yeah, big booty. My booty.
What are you so happy about?
Big booty? I saw.
Oh, sorry, you talking to me?
You have a big booty.
It wasn't perfect, but I wouldn't change it at all.
Do you have a big booty?
If only sorry, just a kiss I'd take for Harry, but I wouldn't change
booty?
it
You
at
say you have
all.
a big booty.
I had to hike through Chinatown.
Your dog is dyslexic. He's epileptic. Oh, poor baby. Do you guys know that this dog's never had sex or anything? He can't have it because Shell's appearance. Cut it out. See, bye, Petunia. Lick the camera. Lick it. You can lick it. Say bye.